Hi guys, welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new here, in today's video I have for you what's basically Barbie-core, okay? This is Color Club's latest release and it's called Outside of the Box, and it is just like I said, it's a Barbie themed thing without saying Barbie anywhere in the promo because you need licensing to say that, so they didn't really say Barbie, but ta-da! This collection was sent to me as PR by Color Club, and you will find all the links and codes and everything down in the description below, so let's get into them. First up, we have Total Dream Girl, and I think they describe this one as a fuchsia, but it is gorgeous and the formula is fantastic. You guys are not going to have any trouble with this one. It is either going to be one coat or two coats for you. Nobody should need three. Even if you do super thin coats, the formula is absolutely fantastic. I know a lot of you were going to ask me to compare this color against either China Glaze Sugar Junkie or the Orly one. And so here you have it in different lighting so you can really see the undertones, because sometimes when the lighting is too bright, you cannot tell, or some things are kind of like lost. So I reduced the lighting on this clip. Excuse the alarm in my house. If I need to avoid every single sound in my house, you guys would never get a video. So I'm sorry about that. Up next, we have Need to Pink Me Up, and this one is almost a dupe of Morgan Taylor's Spin Me Around, which is like a warm tone neon pink that we all loved and you cannot find anywhere. This is your replacement right here. The formula is beyond perfect. There's nothing to say about it. So of course, let's go ahead and do a comparison. Now here you guys have it next to Spin Me Around, and they're not exact dupes, but I think it's gonna be as good as it gets, and this one you can actually get it right now. And also Poptastic by Color Club is a very popular Color Club neon pink. Not a dupe anywhere near, but anyways, here you can tell that this one and is a little bit brighter even, or more neon-y than the Spin Me Around. But in most lighting, they're gonna be almost exactly the same, and they do have the same similar warm undertones that made Spin Me Around such a winner for me and everybody else really. This one is amazing. If you love Spin Me Around and you can never get your hands on it, trust me when I tell you, you need this one. Up next, we have Great Minds Pink Alike, and this one is your, Pepto-Bismol type of pink. Also a very good formula for such a bright neon-y type of color. Just, two coats is all you need. Probably one won't be enough, but two is gonna be perfection. So easy to work with. Even if it's super white based, these colors self-level like a dream. The coverage is amazing. The brush is fantastic. So anyways, let's do some comparisons. Alright, so Color Club has a bunch of these pinks, and I think here the ones at the ends, the Bouquet of the Day and the Feather Hair, are almost like a dupe, but Great Minds Pink Alike is not. And I actually like this one better than the other two, and it had the best formula out of the three, so it's a no-brainer. If you don't own anything like this, you will not be disappointed in this color, and you can get them for such good prices with my discount code, which is not an affiliate code. I don't make money. We accumulate basically points that we can exchange for product, which allows us to use those products to either run giveaways or just buy things to review for you, but it's not really monetary. But it's still a great discount, it's 20%. So, all right, up next we have What a Doll, and this one is a glitter topper. It is actually very pretty, but it's very chunky. It is chunky, it is thick. I mean, the swatch doesn't even show it, but when you open the bottle, you guys are gonna see here, it is chunkalicious, okay? Now, I don't think it looks good in two coats because I think you get like a pink Barbie-core vomit on your nails and you cannot even see the details. But at one coat, I think it is very pretty. But yeah, anyways, keep in mind, it is chunky and it will be hard to remove just like all glitters. But of course, on this side of the universe, we use clips, so we don't care about that. If you like the color, it is very cute. That's the only word I have on pretty. Like when you go off focus, you can see all the holo glitter that's in there. And then it also has some hexagons in pink and other colors. It is very fun. It is very cute, but it will be on the thicker side. Up next, we have Made in Malibu, and this one is in a similar boat. It is a cute, fun polish, but it is thick, okay? This one, however, I do recommend doing two coats because it's meant to be opaque, but if you open the bottle, you're gonna see the same thing, basically. It is chunky, okay? Now, I think since these bottles are new, I didn't have any trouble applying it, but if you don't close these tightly and you don't make sure the bottleneck is clean, when you try to use this 3 months from today, you might see that it's even thicker. So keep that in mind. And it also has all the glitter holo stuff that you see in the other one, but it doesn't show as much. Up next, we have Life Size Luxury, and this one is a glitter topper. It has a clear base, and it is also chunky, but not as chunky as the others. Like even when you open it, you can tell that it flows a little bit more. Now, it is blingy. Look at it. When you look at it off focus, oof, you see all that glitter in there. It has a very beautiful color, actually. I just made a mess. Holy damn. But yeah, the color of the glitter is very cute because it's like this vintage rose kind of thing, like maybe champagne, but not gold. I would say it's like a rosé. I don't know why I'm talking about drinks, but you know what I mean. Like it has a very pretty color. It's not silver, it's not gold, it's not pink. It's not even rose gold. It's like this champagne with a hint of pink that is very beautiful. And it's not as chunky as the others. So there's that. All right, I wanted to show them to you in different lighting like I did with the others. Not because the color needs it, but just so that you guys can see how the glitters kind of like shine differently as the light gets less bright. You know, because in bright lighting and in sun, we know what's going to happen. But what about when we're indoor and something like that, right? So anyways. And then the other clip is now shown at 2 coats. I did 2 coats in all of them. As you can see, the one on my ring finger is kind of like a little bit of a mess. I don't really like how it looks, but the other 2 are fine. Actually, even the index one, I would say just leave it at 1 coat. But the one in the middle finger, which is this one, does benefit from a second coat, and I think it does look pretty good, you know, with that second coat. Again, keep in mind that these 2 are more chunky. Now, when it comes to these 3 creams, they are very good. Now, are they unique colors that we have never seen? No, of course not. But this one, I have to say, and I know this because I tried to find a dupe of Spin Me Around for so long, and it's kind of hard to get these hot pinks that are warm enough to still look hot pink, but, you know, still bright enough to appear to be like awesome summer neon-y type of polishes. And I'm telling you, this one, if you like it, grab it. These 2, we have seen more of them. Like this one, I just showed you 2 other ones that are kind of popular from other brands that, you know, that are out there. So this one I'm not so worried about, and this one either, because a lot of people do these colors. But this specific hot pink in the middle, the one that's called, what's your name? Need to Pink Me Up. I'm telling you, this one is a winner. Is a winner, okay? So yeah, anyways, if I have to pick a favorite, is this one. At least favorite is probably this one. No reason other than it's kind of chunky and it doesn't look that pretty on the nail as it does in the bottle. But anyways, thank you guys so much for coming to my review. I will link everything down below, the link where to get them, my discount code and all of that. And thank you so much for coming, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.